Welcome. Looking to update your Discord profile picture on mobile? Whether you want a fresh new look or just want to stand out in your servers, changing your avatar is quick and easy. Here's how you can do it step by step, using the latest version of the Discord app. First, open the Discord app on your mobile device and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look to the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll see your current profile picture there. Go ahead and tap on it. This will take you straight to your user settings and profile page. Next, on your profile page, find and tap on the Edit Profile button. It's usually located just below your username. This is where you can make all kinds of changes to your profile, including updating your display name, About Me, and of course your profile picture. Now you'll see your current profile picture displayed at the top. Tap on your profile picture once more. A menu will pop up with several options. Tap on Upload Image to start the process of picking a new picture. Your phone's gallery or file manager will open up. Browse through your photos and select the image you want to use as your new Discord avatar. You can pick a selfie, a cool graphic, or any picture that represents you best. After you select your image, you'll have the option to crop or adjust it, so it fits perfectly in the profile frame. Once you're happy with how your new profile picture looks, tap the checkmark or Save button, usually found at the top right corner of the screen. This will apply your changes and update your profile picture instantly. And that's it. Your Discord profile now has a brand new look. Updating your avatar is a simple way to express yourself and make your profile stand out in every chat and server you join. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with your friends so they can personalize their Discord profiles too.